Hello, Stuart Richland here from 420lawoffice.com. I've got some great news to announce to you, so stay tuned. And let me just say how much I respect the medical marijuana community that has been, in good faith, attempting to comply with California state law as well as local law when it comes to caring for patients. Right now, of course, the City of Los Angeles on June 17th sent some very negative letters around to landlords and to collectives, and they effectively interrupted the relationships of many collectives with their landlords, even though those dispensaries may have very strong reasons why they should be able to stay open, notwithstanding the apparent language of Prop D. Remember that even though the people passed it, it still needs to pass constitutional muster, and also the City of Los Angeles City Council reserves the jurisdiction to fix it and correct it in a positive way. And so I want to reach out by acknowledging the amazing collectives who are caring for patients. I believe that the law of supply and demand is what should determine how many collectives should be in town. I'm part of a group of 3 lawyers. We're calling ourselves Legal Team Fights Prop D. And you can see a little presence on Facebook and on Google. Well, on behalf now of about 15 collectives and growing every day, we have been retained to deal with the city with reference to Prop D and that letter that came out. And here's something really amazing that came back. We sent out a letter to challenge those June 17th letters that went out to all the collectives, and we of course had those letters file stamped both at the city attorney level and at planning. And we got a response back now. And the response is kind of surprising. Here's the response, and it's on the letterhead of Carmen Trutanich, and it was signed by the city attorney who's responsible for these matters. And what's amazing is it makes it very clear that the June 17th letters sent by this office are not determinations that the recipients have violated any law. They were provided as a courtesy. Isn't that nice? They interfered with the relationships of all of these collectives and their landlords as a beautiful courtesy. Well, one thing that you can derive from this is that they have admitted that your collective isn't necessarily illegal. They've made no such determination anyway. And I think you'll find that if your landlord's freaking out right about now, your landlord might really appreciate getting that copy of that letter with your collective's name on it. So, we have a whole bundle of legal remedies in mind, and we intend to explore diligently every appropriate legal remedy that we may for the patients of the state of California and the city of LA. If you're interested in getting on that train, please give me a call at 888-420-LAW-1. I have a program for you that will get you into a facial challenge and other activity to preserve and protect the best we can the rights of your patients, your collective, your dispensary. All right. Take good care till next we talk. Check out Legal Team Fights Prop D on Facebook, and please join us. I am so pleased to be in the battle with Graham Barry, veteran of the battles with Scientology, and a 38-year practitioner, a kick-ass lawyer, and Stan Kimmel, former city attorney, an amazing civil attorney, someone who knows procedure, someone who cannot be messed around with when it comes to municipal code, health and safety code, court arguing. Can't wait to be doing it all together with them. We're calling it Legal Team Fights Prop D. By the way, I'll take the Pepsi challenge with any other attorney on my comprehensive 1-hour consultation on medical marijuana law. I'd be very happy to give you my book and walk you through it. Just to give me a call and we'll book your appointment. It is $500, and I also have an upsell, which is my $1,000 do-it-yourself corporate kit. Thanks very much for touching base.